Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix voicemail not working in Realme Narzo 80 Lite. So before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option software and system and update. Now click on software update and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone and here you can reset your all settings. Now click on reset all settings and here enter your password to reset all your settings. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then go back and restart your device. Press and hold power button and swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.